Ever dreamed of picking fresh lemons from your own balcony? Today, we start the journey from a tiny seed.
Start by extracting seeds from a ripe, healthy lemon.
Wash them thoroughly to remove any sugar that might cause mold.
Place them in a damp paper towel inside a sealed container for faster germination.
In 2 weeks, the first roots appear. Nature's miracle in your hands.
Now, transfer the seed to light, nutrient-rich soil.
In a few days, the first green leaves will reach for the light.
Lemons love direct sunlight, at least 6 hours a day.
Water moderately. Don't let the soil get sog or bone dry.
Feed your plant organic compost monthly for a strong trunk.
With time, your sprout becomes a beautiful indoor tree.
White blossoms will fill your home with an amazing scent. Small green lemons appear after pollination. Wait for that golden yellow color.
Nothing beats the taste of homegrown lemons. Start today.